Three, two, one, start. Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Grace Eliza together with Dave Saladares, Christy Lapore, Sean Lawrence Abaco, Clyde Labininay, and Janica Cabansay. We are the group Pokemons from Section 2B. So, our system is based on e-commerce 1. So, first, let's run the code. Mr. Clyde.
So just to add with that, the e-commerce one is a shopping system or where our project, our task is to create a program where for the sellers end or what we call that we can add product by categories, we can filter and sort and update, delete products. So okay, Miss Larza.
So, we have here five categories: shoes, sandals, formal, casual, and slippers. So we use ano if else, so that if we click the first category or any category, we will be redirected to another JFrame. Lloyd, can you click here? As we can see, if i-click natin yun, may lalabas na another JFrame at may lalabas din na ganito. So, may product ID, product name, price, description, and quantity. So, yung magdi-discuss niyan is si Miss Janica, sir. So, Miss Janica, can you take over?
Good evening, sir. I am Janica Kabansay. I will be presenting the function of our add product button. So the add button is the button which automatically adds value or data on our JTable, JPanel, and of course, catalog. We basically use if else statements so that we can avoid data redundancy, just like what we present on our screens. When we click add, the JTable on the catalog isn't empty anymore, and the photos are arranged horizontally.
Excuse me, Miss Janica, you're choppy rather. Your internet connection might have a problem. You can just
So,
turn off your camera and then explain again. Thank you.
sorry, evening, sir. Again, I am Janica Karim. I will be presenting the function of our add button. So, the add button is the button which automatically adds a value or data on our JTable, JPanel, and of course, the catalog. We basically use if else statements so that we can avoid data redundancy, just like what is presented on your screen. When we click add and the JTable and the catalog isn't empty anymore, photos are arranged horizontally.
Kindly show the catalog part, Mr. Floyd. Okay. Okay, so as we can see in there in the screen, we can see there the adding part which can add. So for the next feature for the system, okay, Miss Christie, can you please take over the mic and explain the update function?
So, hi sir, my name is Christy Lapore, and I'll be explaining the update button part. So, the update button part in the program is like a handy tool. So, when you click it, special commands kick in to change stuff in the table and catalog. So, you can update data in the table, and at the same time, the catalog also gets updated. So it's like keeping things fresh and organized in our system with just one click. So can you show the update button part?
Okay, so
So
okay, Miss Christie. Miss Christie. Um,
I think that's um,
okay, so as you can see in the screen, the feature updated for both the catalog and the table. Um, so the next function, next feature for the system is the delete and the clear button, which Sean will explain. So can you please explain that, Mr. Sean?
Hi, sir. I am Sean Lorenzo Mabaco, and I was assigned to discuss the delete and clear button. So here in delete button is if you if you click the or select the item, the product is, and then you click the delete and the and the row in the G table will be deleted, and also the pictures or the products in the category will be deleted also. So can you show the catalog? Right. So as you can see here, it was deleted. Then it was only a single one that has been deleted in the table and in category. It was dependent on what you've been selected to delete. Then in clear button, can you click the clear button, right? So here, as you can see, if you click the clear button, is the G table. The products in G table was deleted, and also in the category. So that's it.
Okay, so thank you for that, Mr. Lawrence. Abaco. So as what he said, the clear button is for deleting all the products in the table, while the delete is for the specific product, both in catalog and table. So for the next feature, the search button, can you please explain that, Mr. Cloyd? Can you add products that use the search filter things out?
Git product first to see the function of the search button. Now that we have a product in our GTable, let's see what the search button do. It helps the user to locate the specific data in the GTable. It's like searching the name, and it will show only what you put in the search area.
Okay, so Mr. Cloyd, can you please tell us what you did use in the code or program that make the that search button happen? Uh, sige. So I'll help you with that. Can you please go with the events of the search button in the program at the NetBeans? Okay, so as we can see in the screen, we use the sorter or the table sorter for the search button so that it will automatically, or if we search something in the text box, text field that we provided, it will automatically show the item or the product that what we've searched. So for the explanation of the catalog again, we have there. Can you please show the catalog, Mr. Clyde? So we provided um we provided a blank space in the catalog. Can you please show all of that? So for that frame, we provided lots of blank spaces for the adding of products, and we've as what Miss Janica said earlier, we've used if else statement so that the data won't be redundant, for example, or it won't be replaced that easily. So each one of that vertically, the adding of product is numbered by one to up till 12 or many more. So for the, as we can see there, the one, two, three, and four products is that is how the products align. So if we want to put if we want to add a product, we will always put a product ID. So for the explanation also of the transferring of data, we've used the instance for the frame catalog. Can you please show that, Mr. Cloyd?
The code.
Yep, in the catalog part, in the catalog frame. Catalog frame, yes, that one. Okay, upper part. So as we can see there, we've used the public static catalog instance. Then in the inside of the catalog class, or that is the instance list. To make that to make the variables and all the classes inside that frame global, so that in the dashboard or in the first frame we can access the data and modify the data there. So in the dashboard, can you please so there we've used a panel instead of design, design please. So can you please show us the design? So there we've used one only panel to reduce the frames. Okay. So we've used the set visible true and false so that we can modify the panel part. We've only used one for all the categories, and we've undercreated the frame. Okay, so for the categories also, we've used an if else functions so that if we click a panel, it won't show in you can click another one rather category, so it won't open a double part. So you need to close the first category before you can open another. I think that's all. Or what? You guys have any additionals? Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so that shows our systems, I think. Or did I forget something? Okay, so for the back button, can you please close that sandals, Mr. Clyde? That one. So for that, we've used the set visible as what I've said earlier. Set visible false for the panel of the categories. So can you please click another category? Okay. So it will show right after you click some and then close it with that button. Okay. And it will automatically dispose the other J-frames since we've connected it to with a first frame. I think that concludes our system and features. You guys have any addition comments?
None so far.
Miss Miss Salarza? Can you please take the mic?
So, um, pardon again, Sir Saladares. Can't hear you.
Do you have any addition for our report? I mean, for the final presentation?
Mm, I guess that yung na sabi natin kanina is I guess that is all.
I think what we've said so far is all about the functions of our system. So we can still discuss about the design and etc. etc. Can you please take over the time? Okay, so I think that concludes our final presentation. Miss Gwen?
Um, that's that's all, sir. Thank you for your listening. Again, I am Gwen Isalarza, Sir Mr. Saladares, Dave, and Cloyd Lamininay, Sean Lawrence Abaco, Christy Lapore, and Janica Kabansay. And we are the group of Pokemons from Section 2.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
One for cooperating.
Bye.
Thank you, Dave.